is Lucas Tejwani. I just finished my first year at Penn Law last year, and I'm currently in my first year at the Penn's Engineering School doing a master's in computer information technology. I'll be graduating in 2017 with this joint degree. Because I'm interested in issues at the intersection of law and technology, I knew that a lot of my clients would be businesses and engineers. I wanted to be able to really understand the perspectives and the interests of my clients, and so I thought that being able to know what good code looks like or look what circuits look like would really help me just understand their basic interests. It would equip me with one, a fluency in the language that engineers speak. I would be able to talk in technical terms about technical products. Secondly, I also thought that it would help me with really understanding at a fundamental level how technology works. And lastly, I knew that going through the entire process of learning how to program and learning how to design circuits would equip me with the skill set to demystify really complicated technology. In a lot of my classes, I've been forced to look at things like a computer and figure out the magic that works behind a computer. I've designed a computer from the transistor level up to the operating system and written the operating system. And so I think that what this has given me is the skill set to be able to look at something complicated, something new that might come along, and really sift through the different complicated aspects of it and really understand what technology is underlying that product. At their very cores, both engineering and law are very analytical exercises. Both require you to work with small building blocks. In law, it's cases and policy arguments. In computer science and engineering, it's small circuits or syntax or programming languages, and you have to use these small building blocks to put together something in a very calculated but creative way to come up with the final product that you want. Both require the same analytical muscles in some sense and the same analytical chops. I would say that as far as differences are concerned, I found that the biggest difficulty with my first year of law school was the volume of material through which I had to plow every single week. And so I started to develop strategies for really maximizing my efficiency, for really being able to synthesize broad amounts of material. The complexity or the difficulty with the engineering program has been the complexity of certain things, the complexity of an operating system, of a circuit design, of a computer's microarchitecture. And so I've really developed strategies to demystify that complexity. I think that both skill sets are necessary when you're dealing with law and when you're dealing with engineering, and I think that both are mutually reinforcing. So I'm hoping that I'll be a better attorney because of my engineering training, and I'll be a better engineer because of my law training.